wait. Pause the video and ask yourself one question. Are you really improving your English speaking?
Are you just watching videos and saying nothing out loud?
Ouch, that was a little personal.
Sorry, but today we will fix that forever.
Yes, because in this video, we will share the real steps to improve your English speaking skills.
Simple steps, easy steps.
And one secret step that most learners never try.
Ooh, a secret.
Yes, and it is hiding near the end of the video.
So stay with us until the very end.
Welcome back to Smart English Official.
Before we start, please subscribe to Smart English Official, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Today's comment is easy. Just write the number of your English level.
If you are a beginner, write the number 1.
If you are a little better, write the number 2.
If you are confident, write the number 3.
Do not worry, there is no wrong answer.
Unless you write the number 7.
Why 7?
I don't know, it just felt funny. Okay, today we have one big question.
And the question is this.
How can I improve my English speaking skills?
Many people feel stuck.
They study grammar for years.
They memorize long word lists.
But when someone asks, "How are you?" they forget everything.
And they say, I am fine, yes.
That is very common.
And today, we will show you how to change that.
Here's the first big secret of this video.
What is it?
Reading English will not make you speak better.
Wait, really?
Really.
But I read English every day.
And do you speak better?
My reading is better.
Exactly. Reading improves reading.
So what improves speaking?
Speaking.
Speaking?
Yes, to speak better, you must speak more.
Ah, that's simple.
Simple, yes, but most people do not do it.
Why not?
Because speaking in English feels scary.
True, very true.
So our first real step today is about facing that fear.
Step 1, speak out loud every single day.
Every single day, even for 5 minutes.
Not in your head.
No, your head is a very dangerous place for English.
Why?
Because in your head, you never finish a sentence.
It is true. I start a sentence in my head, then I change it, then I forget it.
Exactly.
So what should I do?
Use your mouth. Use your voice.
Even if no one is listening?
Especially if no one is listening.
Wait, so I can talk to myself?
My friend, talking to yourself is the best English class you will ever have.
And it's free.
Completely free.
I love free things.
Me too. Especially free English lessons.
So step 1 is simple. Speak out loud.
Repeat after me.
I will speak English every day.
Even for 5 minutes.
Even with mistakes.
Even if the cat looks confused.
Poor cat.
Now, here's step 2.
Listen and repeat.
Yes, this is called shadowing.
Shadowing.
It means you listen to a sentence and you repeat it immediately.
Like an echo.
Exactly, like a helpful echo.
Example, please.
Listen. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, how are you today?
Perfect. Did you hear that?
Yes, it was so easy.
Because your ears heard it before your mouth said it.
That is the magic.
When you shadow, your brain learns the rhythm of English.
The music of English.
Yes, English has a beat.
And we need to dance with it.
Happy dancing. Let's practice one more. I had a wonderful day.
I had a wonderful day.
Nice.
Your voice is so calm.
Thank you. I practiced shadowing for 10 years.
Wow.
And I also drink a lot of tea.
The tea helps.
So, step 2 is listen and repeat.
Shadowing.
Shadowing.
Now let's go to step 3.
Step 3, think in English.
Think in English?
Yes, stop translating everything in your head.
But I always translate.
Let me show you a small example. You see a red cup. What do you think?
I think une tasse rouge.
That's French.
I know, my brain loves French.
Okay, now think in English.
A red cup.
See? Easy.
Wow, it is easy.
Start with small things around you.
Like a window,
A door.
a chair,
A very comfortable chair.
a very, very comfortable chair.
When you think in English, your speaking becomes faster.
Because there's no translation step.
Exactly. Translation slows you down.
So, step 1 is speak out loud.
Step 2 is shadow.
Step 3 is think in English. Perfect. Do we have more steps?
Yes, many more.
Good, because I am enjoying this.
Me too. Let's keep going.
Step 4, please.
Step 4. Talk about your day.
Talk about my day.
Yes, every evening say 3 sentences about your day.
In English?
In English, out loud.
Okay, give me an example.
Today I woke up early, I ate breakfast, I watched a funny video.
That is so simple.
But it is real speaking practice.
And I can do it alone.
Yes, no partner needed.
No partner needed, unless you count the cat.
The cat is a very good partner.
The cat gives great feedback.
In the morning, say what you will do.
Today I will drink coffee.
In the evening, say what you did.
Today I drank coffee.
See the difference?
Yes, will drink, drink.
And look at that, you practiced grammar without a grammar book.
Without tears.
Exactly. No tears today.
Step 5. What is step 5?
Step 5. Record yourself.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
Do I have to?
This is the step that changes everything.
But my voice sounds strange.
Everyone thinks their voice sounds strange.
Really?
Really, even professional singers.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Here's the simple way to do it. Open your phone.
Open my phone.
Press record.
Press record.
Say these sentences.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Lima. I am learning English. I am happy.
Hello, my name is Lima. I am learning English. I am happy.
Now, stop recording and listen.
Listen.
How do you feel?
A little shy.
That is normal. Now do it again tomorrow.
Again?
Yes, and in 1 month you will hear the difference.
Really?
Your old recording will sound so slow and shy.
And my new recording will sound better?
Much better. This is your own personal proof.
I like proof.
Then record yourself every week.
Like a video diary?
Yes, an English diary.
That is a beautiful idea.
And one day you will watch your videos and laugh.
In a good way.
In a very good way. You will think, wow, look how far I've come.
Okay, I will try it.
Now, step 6 is one of my favorites.
Tell me.
Learn phrases, not just words.
Phrases?
Yes, do not just learn the word how.
Okay.
Learn the whole question. How are you?
How are you?
See? Now you have a full speaking piece.
A speaking piece.
Words are like pieces of wood.
And phrases are like pieces of furniture.
Exactly. A chair is more useful than a piece of wood.
That is so true.
So learn useful phrases.
Like, nice to meet you.
See you later.
I'm sorry.
Can you say that again, please?
Ooh, that one is so useful.
Yes. When you don't understand, smile and say, can you say that again, please?
And people will be happy to repeat.
People love helping.
So step 6 is phrases, not single words.
Now comes step 7.
Step 7?
Step 7. Do not speak perfectly.
What?
That's right. Do not try to be perfect.
But I want to be perfect.
Perfect is the enemy of good.
Wow, that sounds so wise.
I read it on a coffee cup once.
Of course you did.
But it is true. When you try to be perfect, you freeze.
Yes, I freeze all the time.
Instead, just speak.
Even with mistakes?
Even with 100 mistakes.
100?
Especially 100 mistakes, because that means you spoke 100 times.
Oh my gosh, that is a good way to see it.
Mistakes are not your enemy.
Then what are they?
They are your teachers.
My teachers.
Every mistake teaches you something.
Like a strict but friendly teacher.
Exactly. A teacher who never gives homework.
I love that teacher.
Now here is step 8.
Step 8. My favorite one, maybe?
Maybe. Step 8 is practice with others.
With real people?
With real people. Or with friendly apps.
But I am shy.
Start small.
Okay.
First, talk with a friend who also learns English.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. How are you? See? That is already a conversation.
Then later, try speaking with people online. Online?
Yes, there are many apps and groups for English practice.
Is it scary?
A little, but the people there are also learning.
So they make mistakes too?
All the time. It's a mistake party.
A mistake party.
And remember, everyone started as a beginner.
Even you?
Even me. When I started, my English was interesting.
Interesting?
I once told my teacher, I am very hungry for English.
That sounds cute.
She thought I meant I wanted to eat the textbook.
No.
Yes, my face was so red.
But now you speak beautiful English.
Because I practiced. With mistakes. Every day.
So practice with others is step 8.
Yes. And now, are you ready for the secret step?
Yes, the secret.
Okay, here it is.
I'm listening, like super carefully.
The secret step is speak with yourself in your daily life.
Wait, we already said that.
No, I mean everything.
Everything?
Yes, narrate your whole day in English.
Narrate my day.
When you make tea, say, I am making tea. I love tea.
When I open the door, say, I am opening the door.
When you are sad, say, I am a little sad today.
When you're happy, say, I am very happy today.
This is the secret.
Why is this so powerful?
Because it connects English to your real life.
Not to a textbook.
Not to a classroom.
To my actual life.
Your life becomes your English class.
That is genius.
Thank you. I read it on a second coffee cup.
The coffee cups are very wise today.
So the secret is to live inside English,
Live inside English.
not just study English.
That is so beautiful.
And the best part?
What?
It is free, it is easy, and it works every single day.
I am going to try that right now.
Okay, what do you see?
I see a microphone.
Say it.
I see a microphone.
Perfect.
I feel happy.
Wonderful. You're already doing it.
Wow, this is fun.
Now, let me give you a small daily routine.
A routine? I love routines.
In the morning, think in English for 2 minutes.
Think in English.
In the afternoon, shadow one video for 5 minutes.
Shadow one video.
In the evening, record yourself for 1 minute.
Record myself.
And all day long, narrate your life in English.
Narrate my life.
That's it.
That is so simple.
Simple, but powerful.
Let me repeat the steps so we do not forget.
Good idea.
Step 1. Speak out loud every day.
Step 2, listen and repeat.
Step 3. Think in English.
Step 4, talk about your day.
Step 5. Record yourself.
Step 6, learn phrases.
Step 7. Do not be perfect.
Step 8, practice with others.
And the secret step, narrate your life in English.
Look at all that.
So much value in one video.
And your homework is small.
Write your 3 daily sentences in the comments.
For example, today I watched a video. I learned English. I am happy.
That is beautiful.
Your turn. Write your 3 sentences below.
This helps you practice even after the video ends.
And it helps other learners see your progress.
We will read your comments.
Yes, we read every single one.
Now, one final reminder.
Before we go, please subscribe to Smart English Official
And turn on the notification bell.
so you never miss the next lesson.
Like this video if you enjoyed it.
And comment your 3 sentences right now.
Remember why you started.
You did not start English to be perfect,
You started to communicate,
to connect.
to grow.
And every word you speak out loud brings you closer.
One small step every day.
One brave sentence every day.
That's how English improves.
Not overnight.
But step by step.
And today, you took a big step.
Be proud of yourself.
Keep speaking.
Keep smiling.
Keep growing.
And we'll see you in the next lesson.
This is James.
And this is Lima.
Bye-bye.
Bye.